Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with low energy, unexplained weight gain, difficulty losing fat, or just feeling off, no matter how healthy you try to eat, you're not alone. What if I told you that a single nutrient deficiency, one that's shockingly common in women, could be at the root of your sluggish metabolism, poor muscle tone, constant fatigue, and even your sugar cravings? Today, we're exposing a silent epidemic that's affecting millions of women worldwide. It's not a vitamin. It's not a fancy supplement. It's not some detox trend. It's protein. And in this video, we're going to unpack why this one macronutrient is so crucial, not just for athletes or bodybuilders, but for every woman who wants to feel strong, energized, lean, and hormonally balanced. Let's break it all down. Part 1: The overlooked metabolic power of protein. Let's start with the basics. Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle, bone, enzymes, neurotransmitters, hormones, skin, hair, and every tissue in your body. When you don't get enough protein, your body struggles to repair tissues. Your metabolism slows down. Your blood sugar becomes unstable. You start losing lean muscle, even if you don't notice it at first. Your thyroid and sex hormones get out of balance. Here's what most women don't realize. When you cut calories or carbs without increasing protein, your body doesn't just burn fat. It starts breaking down your muscle, which is the very tissue that keeps your metabolism fast and your body firm. Muscle is metabolically active. That means it burns calories even at rest. Lose muscle, and you lose that natural fat-burning engine. Part 2: The hidden danger. Chronic protein deficiency. Despite eating healthy, most women are eating far too little protein. Many are living on salads, smoothies, oat milk lattes, fruit bowls, and granola, foods that may seem clean or low in calories, but are seriously lacking in complete proteins. What happens over time? You start feeling tired all the time. You experience hair thinning and brittle nails. You recover poorly from workouts. You may feel cold, moody, or emotionally drained. Your cravings for sugar and carbs skyrocket. Your weight increases even though you're eating less. That's what chronic protein deficiency looks like, and it's quietly damaging the health of women everywhere. Part 3: Why women are especially at risk. Here's why this hits women harder than men. Social conditioning. Women are often taught to eat small portions, avoid meat, and fear getting bulky. Diet culture. So many trendy diets glorify carbs and fats but neglect protein, especially in plant-based diets. Aging. As we age, we become more prone to muscle loss, called sarcopenia, especially after 30. Without enough protein and strength training, that loss accelerates every decade. Hormonal shifts. During PMS, pregnancy, perimenopause, and menopause, protein needs actually go up, but most women are never told this. So women who are already stressed, overworked, and undernourished, end up getting hit even harder when protein is missing from their diet. Part 4: The right amount. How much protein do women really need? Let's get specific. The current recommended daily allowance, RDA, for protein is 0.36 grams per pound of body weight, but that's just the minimum to avoid deficiency. If you want to thrive, not just survive, most experts now recommend 0.8 to 1.0 grams of protein per pound of ideal body weight. That means a woman aiming for 140 pounds should consume at least 112 to 140 grams of protein per day. Sounds like a lot? It's really not. If you break it into 3 meals and 1 snack, that's about 30 to 40 grams of protein at each meal. 20 to 25 grams in a snack or shake. Compare that to the 10 to 15 grams most women eat at breakfast, and you can see why so many are falling short. The metabolic benefits of adequate protein. When you start eating enough protein, things change fast. You'll feel satiated longer after meals, fewer cravings and less snacking. Your body will start burning fat instead of muscle during weight loss. You'll build and maintain lean, toned muscle even as you age. Your blood sugar will stabilize, helping with mood and hormonal balance. You'll start to feel stronger, more energized, and confident in your body. Protein helps regulate key fat-burning hormones like leptin, insulin, glucagon, and growth hormone. It's not just a fitness nutrient, it's a metabolic necessity. Part 6 Simple Ways to Boost Your Protein Intake. So how do you actually get enough protein without overthinking it? Start here. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Try eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a clean protein smoothie. Aim for 30 grams of protein per meal. This is the sweet spot for muscle protein synthesis. Use high-quality protein supplements. Whey isolate, pea, rice, or collagen protein powders can fill the gap, especially post-workout. Plan protein-forward snacks. Think boiled eggs, tuna pouches, protein bars, beef or turkey jerky, edamame, or nuts with cheese. Batch cook and prep your protein ahead. Grilled chicken, turkey, ground beef, lentils, tofu, and baked fish. Keep them on hand to build meals easily. Part 7 Final Thoughts. Respecting your body's needs. Your metabolism isn't broken. Your body isn't the enemy. It's simply not being given what it needs to function at its best. Protein isn't optional, it's foundational. If you're tired of feeling tired, if your body feels sluggish or soft no matter how hard you try, don't starve it. Fuel it. Track your intake for a few days. You might be shocked at how little protein you're actually getting. But that awareness is the first step to transformation. So the next time you hear someone say, just eat less, or go plant-based for weight loss, ask yourself, what am I giving my body to rebuild with? Because without protein, you're not just losing weight. You're losing muscle, strength, energy, and health. Take control. Prioritize protein. And give your metabolism the fuel it needs to thrive. If this video opened your eyes, give it a like, subscribe for more in-depth health content, and share it with a woman in your life who needs to hear this message. You deserve to feel strong, vibrant, and alive, and it starts with what you put on your plate.